Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock, tap on it and select alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on it, choose repeat and pick days of the week manually. Then tap on the back button, choose alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to. Then you need to click on the switcher next to snooze to disable or enable it and click on ringtone. Now you can select one of those ringtones by tapping on the best one for you and going back, but you can also select on this device, pick music from your smartphone by tapping on it and go back. Then select vibration and select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you, or disable vibrations completely by tapping on no vibration. Then click on the back button twice and save your alarm by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and select one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it, choosing the delete icon at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!